Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. If you're having some troubles installing your adjustable sunshade, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to increase the gap. So we're calling this the gap. It's the gap between the headliner and the glass. So we're going to show you a little way to get this released so you'll have plenty of room to be able to push it in really easily. And again, a lot of the newer Model Ys, the gap's really tight, even for window tinting that we do here at RPM. So we're going to show you that right now. Okay, also now on the rear, we have these turnable flaps. They're assembled by the manufacturer like this, but there's a reason why there's a second hole. We're going to show you that right now. That second hole is going to ensure that this is straight and it's never going to vibrate loose and fall out of the ceiling. So when you receive this, just unscrew the first screw that is already inside of the hole in the plastic tab, and then the one underneath. Remove this and we'll insert that in the other hole. This will lock these in the forward facing position, and again, when we ship these out, they won't fit in the box like this. Then tighten up both screws and we'll be locked in place, and there's no way this is going to turn after we set it up inside under the window and above the headliner. And we'll show you that right now. But you can see once the screws are in, it's never going to come loose or turn on you, and you can rest assured it's always going to be held up right above the window. So now it will not turn and not move. So do the same to the other side, and then we're going to continue on with our self-help installation tips. Okay, now we're in the back of the car. We're going to lift this up and show you when you slide it forward. I'm just going to put it right underneath the tabs. So go all the way up and drop it down, forward, 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 down. Okay, so now we got our black tab there that is not going to turn. And just slide it right underneath the headliner, and the rear is locked in place. And now we'll go to the front. Okay, so just give it a little force. It does clip in, and then extend the mirror like that. Makes it longer, gets it out of the way. Then we're going to use a T20 torque bit, screw it, and then the whole mirror assembly will come down along with the wire. You can let the wire hang there. You have to slide it forward to get it out. It's got a little hook on the end. Now let that hang there. So what we're doing is we're holding up the new sunshade, and now we're going to move the seal on the outside of the window and pull that down a little bit. And then now we're going to pull off the pillar cover. Just unsnap it. And that's going to allow all of the headliner to come down quite easily. So it's just straight out about a couple inches like this. And now you can see when we let this down a little bit, now we have a completely adjustable top, so we can get the gap filled in with the tool. So now we're going to proceed with the regular installation, and we're going to turn on the bright light that's required so we can see the reflection up top. Now you can see the black tab up there, and you can see, all right, so there's the reflection of it. And you can see now when we press it all the way up, now we have a big gap. So we're going to use our gap tool to get the gap opened up even more. So you can see that we have a lot of room now with the tool. And now you just insert it and push it straight in. So this makes a big difference. And now you can see it's turned in all the way. Then we're going to reach in and tighten it so we can show you right here what's going on. The screwdriver is going in at the bottom. It's tightening it up, pulling it closer. All right, great. Now we'll put everything back. So obviously you have to feed the wire back up. Hook that piece, put the T20 in, and pop the pillar cover back on, and we're good to go.